Dogs are pretty expensive to own when you factor in the cost of food, care, toys, vet bill, dog beds, and so on. But if you want a specific breed, you will have to pay extra just to acquire the puppy. The highest prices are paid for rare and pure breeds, and when you know what goes into just to ensure that purity, you will understand why these dogs are that expensive. Dog breeds can go up and down in price based on their popularity, demand, specialization, and specific tasks such as hunting or police dogs that are really popular for this reason alone. Some breeds are more valuable because there are just a few dogs of that breed left in the world, while other breeds are considered status symbol due to some celebrity who owns them. Judging by all these factors, we have made a list with the 5 most expensive dog breeds in the world right now. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. Samoyed. Known as Snow White Furballs, Samoyed is a breed native to Siberia. They were originally bred to herd reindeers and pull sleds. They are a tough, strong breed. As they were originally reindeer herders, they have a charming upward curved mouth that looks like a smile. Samoyeds with their soft fluffy fur and a cute smile make excellent family companions for kids and aged. Their soft white fur is often used for making warm clothes. They are intelligent, devoted, social, and also a bit stubborn. They are attention seekers and love company. However, their cubby looks come at a cost. Being excellent diggers, they are often found digging if left alone at open space. A rare find and hence one of the world's most expensive dog breeds, Samoyed come at anywhere between $4,000 to $11,000. Number 4. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. With the tongue sticking out and an adorable face, this breed is an instant hit with young and old alike. This breed was named after King Charles II and a Cocker Spaniel belonging to the class of English royalty. They were bred as a look-alike of the dogs of the courts of English King Charles I and II. They are cute, teeny and playful, and these personality traits make them great companions with kids. They love going for long walks and playing in gardens. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel are classed as toy dogs and they are one of the most popular breeds in the UK, continue to grow in popularity every year due to their smooth coat and affection. They are very friendly and thus great for children, but they require a lot of human interaction, so you can't ignore them for long. They can adapt to most environments with age, but when compared to other races, they tend to live less and are prone to various health issues. Their prices range from $2,000 to $14,000. Number 3. German Shepherd. Although it is quite a new breed, having their origins only in 1899, the German Shepherd is quite popular today all over the globe. Sturdy and huge, German Shepherds make excellent guard and are popular with presidents. A German Shepherd breed was President Franklin Roosevelt's favorite. They were originally bred to herd flock of sheep, but today they make excellent family dogs. Their extreme loyalty, intelligence, and willingness to learn have found them a sport in military, bomb squads, police, and guards. Due to their rare skills, they are found in households with farmers and shepherds and also in police forces. This makes a trained German Shepherd a costly business. With rare combination of daredevilry and loving nature, they are great pets. However, they are attention seekers and will bark or jump for attention. They are the most used breed in search and rescue or assistant operations by the police or military, and also used in pretty movies, often due to their versatility. They are also great family companions, but they need a lot of exercise every single day. Their price reach up to $24,000 if you want a pure blood that is also well trained. Number 2. Czechoslovakian Wolf Dog. This race is second on our list due to their rarity, being the national breed of Czechoslovakia since 1982 and thus a relatively new race. This interesting dog breed comes from an experiment done in the country back in 1955 when a working line of German Shepherd dogs were bred with Carpathian wolves as an attempt to create a breed that would have the pack mentality of wolves and their stamina combined with the trainability of the German Shepherd. They were created as attack dogs that would be used in military operations such as search and rescue, tracking, herding or hunting. Since they are almost unknown outside of their country, you will need to fly there and buy one, which is not easy as it sounds. Price could go way over $50,000 for one. Number 1. Tibetan Mastiff. The Tibetan Mastiff originally comes from Nepal and China, and it's an ancient breed that was used to protect flocks from threatening leopards or wolves. One of the largest dogs in the world, this gorgeous dog can have a height of up to 33 inches, weighing close to 160 pounds. Due to their protective instincts, this breed has become a symbol of status in the country of China. Prices for a pure Tibetan Mastiff start from $2,000 and could go up to millions. Back in 2014, a high-rolling Chinese businessman shelled out a whopping $1.95 million for a golden-haired Tibetan Mastiff pup, marking it the world's most expensive dog. According to AFP, the man, a successful property developer from China, paid exactly 12 million yuan for the one-year-old Mastiff at a premium pet fair in the country's eastern province of Zhejiang. The pup had lion's blood according to the dog's breeder, and he is the top of the range Mastiff stud. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.